Hey guys, welcome back to my videos. Thank you very much for joining me today. So I'm going to just be showing you a couple of videos of me tackling some of the problem areas in my home, and starting with this really tall stained glass window. So I'm only short, I'm 5'2", but I had to use a chair to get up to here, and then I still can't reach the top of the glass, as you'll see later in the video. I'm just using my Power Force window glass and spray, and I'm using a microfiber cloth and a dish towel there just to make sure it's not slippy. An idea of how tall it is, I took a video from the top of the stairs. Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen cabinets. I'm just cleaning one side. As you can see, I've emptied it all and I'm just cleaning it down. I'm going to reorganise it, go through all my expiration dates, and then put everything back in using my new shelf organiser arranger thingy that I have here. And that's it. I then did do the other side. I didn't only do half my cabinets. I will also be starting a 7-day spring clean next week, so just keep an eye on my page if you want to see what I get up to. Thank you. So then I started on my bottom cabinet as well. Obviously had a cup of tea going at the same time. Love a cuppa. So I started off with just emptying the cabinets out, and then I gave it a good clean. A trick that I like to remember is to take the trays at the back of the toaster to empty the breadcrumbs. And if you're like me and you do struggle for space, these organiser pots are fantastic. So I keep my cereal and my pasta in mine, and the larger ones hold 2 boxes of cereal, or the one that's in front of me, the yellow one, that's only got 1 box in at the moment. It's also handy for my little girl when she's making her breakfast, because they're really easy to pour from and there's hardly any mess, no broken boxes lying around, etc. Okay, so these plastic bins I keep our crisps in, and there are also some sweets at the bottom there as well, but this is the finished result. Thank you very much. So next it was on to my bedroom. Now this is one of the last rooms that I've gotten around to sorting out and organising. This corner is the biggest corner that I have issues with because it's somewhere that I keep dumping stuff, just everyday stuff, and it just accumulates on the side here. So I thought I'll spend some time, and I cleared it all down, and then I actually realised that I probably had enough room on my shelves, so I moved all my books over there as well, and that really cleared the space up on the unit. And then last but not least, it was the clothes in my room. So I did have a clear out of the wardrobes, my kids and my wardrobes, just after Christmas. So I was just bagging everything up and taking it out of the house, getting it to the charity shops. And then that was it. I was really happy with the way that this room turned out. Thank you very much, guys, for watching another one of my videos. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.